Sounded like Mr. Tumble then. Wait.
Right guys, just come to Morrison's. It's Fishy Friday. Let's go and see what fishy meal we can cook up tonight. Right, first off, let's grab a basket and let's get to it. Right, we'll start off then getting some peas. 27p. Right, next we're going straight to the fishmongers. And I think I'm going to get this here, £4.50 this fish. In fact, you know what? Let's go and check the fish counter and see if we can get anything cheaper. Right, we tried at the fish counter, but it's too expensive. So you're best off getting just the ready mixes. So this is £4.50. Right, now we got our fish. We need a sauce mix. So we're going to go with this one here, parsley sauce mix, 55p. Also, we're going to need some potatoes. The size of them, they're massive, 79p a kilo. And they cost, I haven't got a clue. And finally, grab yourself 2 carrots. Right, Lucy. Oh, she's not in the mood. She's literally not in the mood. Lucy, cook me something up.
Easy.
Right, so back home now, Lucy. Fishy Friday. I can't believe the counter didn't do individual bits of fish for us.
Well, they could have done, but it probably would have worked out dearer. £4.50 for a fish pie mix, I think is really brilliant value. Size of these bad boys. So I'm going to start off with peeling my spuds. And they're going to go into hot boiling water. And next, I'm going to be cutting up my carrots. And I'm going to get those into some hot boiling water as well. While they're boiling away, I'm just going to make up my sauce mix. So I've got this mix here, it's the parsley one, and 300 mils of cold water. I'm going to add that to the milk, and then we're going to whisk it up. And I've just got this little handheld whisk. It's really easy and simple. Then you're going to get your fish, and it's already prepped. So we're going to get that into the casserole dish or any oven dish that you've got. Going to get the peas in as well, and then some pepper. And some salt, and then the parsley mix. Get that all in, and we're going to give this a stir. And then we're going to put this into the oven, stick some tin foil on the top, or I've got an oven lid here like so, and that's just going to go into the oven for about 15 minutes on 180. And guys, why not press the follow button for more savvy meals?
And guys, we had to get it back out the oven because someone stuck the receipt to the bottom of it.
So I've drained my potatoes and I'm just going to make some mash up. I'm just going to make mine up with some butter, some milk, some salt and pepper. Right, so that's all done now. I'm going to get my fish mix out of the oven. There we go. Wow, how good does that look, and smells amazing. I absolutely love fish pie, me. I love fish anyway. I'm just getting the mash on top. So that's all been spread out with a fork, and that's just going back into the oven just to brown the mash up. Carrots on the plate, and that's ready to get out. There we go. So let's dish it up. Oi. Sounded like Mr. Tumble then. Wait. Absolutely humongous portion. Plenty of fish in there. One for you, one for me, and one later for little V.
And there you go, guys. Another easy, savvy meal. Lovely fish dinner. Guys, Morrison's have got such a good choice of fish. You know, if you want to spend a little bit more, get yourself on the fish counter. But yeah, I'm straight in there with that salmon, a bit of mash, you know, or a bit of carrot as well. Oh.
Just a really good, simple fish pie.
That is nice. Really nice, really simple to cook. Really tasty. And it was a bargain. Just over £6. Guys, get yourself to Morrison's. Give it a try and don't forget to follow the page for more savvy meals.